Want to grow perfect peppers in your garden? Welcome to a world where your green thumb can produce the most vibrant, juicy, and flavorful peppers right at home. Today we'll walk through key steps to cultivate these culinary stars. Let's delve into the specifics of growing perfect peppers. First and foremost, selecting the right variety of peppers is essential. Your region and climate play significant roles in this choice. Popular varieties like bell peppers, jalapenos, or habaneros each have unique requirements. Remember, the right variety is the backbone of growing perfect peppers. Now, on to planting and care. Begin by preparing the soil, ensuring it's rich and well-drained. Keep your plants spaced about 1.5 feet apart and bury them up to their stems for stability. Regular watering is vital, but avoid oversaturation. Fertilize your plants every 2 weeks for flourishing growth. And don't forget, peppers love the sun, so a spot with full sun exposure is ideal. By giving your peppers the care they need, you're setting them up for success. Finally, it's the moment you've been waiting for: harvesting and storage. The best time to harvest peppers is when they're fully grown and brightly colored. Use a sharp knife or scissors to cut them off, leaving a short stub of stem. For optimal flavor and longevity, don't let them sit out in direct sunlight after harvesting. Store your peppers in the vegetable crisper of your fridge, where they can stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. Harvesting at the right time and storing properly will ensure you enjoy your perfect peppers for longer. Let's quickly recap the steps to grow perfect peppers. The journey begins with choosing the right variety, considering factors like climate and space. Then, we delve into planting and care, focusing on the importance of soil, watering, and sunlight. Finally, we explore the art of harvesting and storage, highlighting the perfect time to pick your peppers and how to store them for longevity. With these tips, you're well on your way to growing perfect peppers in your garden. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips.